Learned when I come out of the hospital, and my wife wrote the words down word by word from a song that Jerry Butler sang, and I'm going to do it for you right now. It's called When Beyond the Rain. When the sky's getting dark and the clouds are moving in, and the storms of life fill our hearts with pain, just let the Savior in. For when we trust in Him, He will lead us beyond the rain. There'll be no dying, no more crying, and no more pain. When we put our hand, love, in the hands of Jesus, He will lead us beyond the rain. When we live our lives alone, try to make it on our own, still the heartaches and the emptiness remain. If we hold on to God's hand, He will lead us to a land where His sun will shine. Beyond the rain, there'll be no dying, no more crying, and no more pain. When we put our lives in the hands of Jesus, He will lead us beyond the rain. Now the battle has all been won. God gave His only Son to fulfill the promise of His name. If we believe, and what a gift, we will receive to live with Him beyond the rain. There'll be no more dying, there'll be no crying, and no more pain. When we put our lives in the hands of Jesus, He will lead us beyond the rain. Beyond the rain, there'll be no dying, no more crying, and no more pain. When we put our lives in the hand of Jesus, He will lead us beyond the rain. When we put our hand in the love of Jesus, He will lead us beyond the rain.